On this edition of Mere Mortals, we make holiday decorations. Helping me today are my sons,
Connell and Weston.
That was good.
Yeah, what?
So it's a pretty straightforward build. We're going to use a piece of 1/2-inch plywood I picked up at Home Depot, and I had them cut it. It was originally a 4x8 sheet of wood, and right now it is 3x6. Then I have an old projector. I hooked it up to a laptop and found this photo of the Grinch, and we'll just trace him and cut him out. Now that I have everything traced, I'm going to cut the Grinch out of my board.
They hold you! Now we will paint the Christmas decorations.